Welcome to our fun learning game with spoons and bowls, inspired by the Montessori method. Today, we explore a Montessori way of learning. Let's set up our activity. We have a tray, a small spoon, 2 bowls, and either beans or beads. Watch closely as the child engages with the activity, working with focus and concentration. Observe how attentively the little hands maneuver the spoon. Each movement is an exercise in steadiness and careful coordination. This simple yet engaging task is not just about spooning, it's a journey of developing fine motor skills, patience, and precision. Let's explore the advantages of this activity. First, it strengthens little hands, enhancing fine motor skills. Secondly, it unites the eyes and hands in a dance of coordination. Thirdly, it fosters attention and perseverance. Fourthly, completing the task independently builds confidence and happiness. Fifthly, the variety of textures offers a rich sensory experience. Lastly, it teaches everyday skills, like eating with a spoon. Every moment in this activity is a valuable step in learning and development. Watch how these simple tasks help the child grow and thrive. Curious for more? Discover a world of engaging activities for your little star with Montessori.